At the sprawling Vickers Defense Complex, the synchronized movement of rail spurs and assembly lines defines modern military production.
The massive automated milling machine grinds the thick steel plates, creating a precise 45-degree bevel for deep. The submerged arc welding robot moves steadily along the chassis. The arc, hidden beneath a bed of granular.
Easy now. Watch the clearance. Locked in. Recording serial 4105.
Beneath the hull, workers use hydraulic press tools to install the high-tensile steel torsion bars that span the width of the chassis.
Precision is paramount. The bearing is pressed into the forged aluminum hub, injected with synthetic grease, and advanced to the assembly line.
Check the connections on panel 7.
Confirmed. Securing the main power conduit now.
Easy now, just a few more centimeters. Holding steady. All right, she's seated. Start the connections.
The high-capacity cooling fans are precision-fitted. Technicians manually check the variable pitch blades for clearance before the turret drive rapidly spins the system as engineers calibrate the stabilization, ensuring the gun remains level even during extreme simulated movement. Alignment looks good. Lowering to seat.
Confirmed contact. Proceed to secure the ring.
Bolting sequence initiated.
This fiberglass jacket prevents solar warping.
And the extractor keeps the gases clear of the turret.
The gun is mounted in a recoil-absorbing cradle and is linked to the same fire control system as the main gun. A long belt of dummy ammunition is fed into the feeder.
Contact. Infantry moving north on my position. Requesting immediate support by fire.
Copy that. Engaging targets now. Stand by for impact.
Fingertip pressure allows the mount to spin rapidly and elevate for high-angle fire against drones and helicopters.
All right, hit the main beams.
Mark 48 systems are green.
With the cabin cooled to 18 degrees, the NBC system engages, pressures and confirms a perfect seal.
Utilizing a simulated ultraviolet signature, the AFS system responds in milliseconds. A rapid response time of 85 milliseconds confirms the system is ready.
Comms check. Centralized. How copy?
Driver copies. Loud and clear, sir.
Gunner systems check complete. Audio synchronized.
Gauges are holding steady. Confirmed safe to fire.
The skirts are hinged to allow for easy access to the wheels, critical for field maintenance. Watch as the 55-ton prototype halts in its own length. The suspension compresses violently, showcasing the power of the braking system.
During the side slope test, the suspension articulates dramatically, allowing the massive vehicle to navigate the 30-degree incline with remarkable stability.
We're simulating maximum radio interference. As you can see on the monitor, the tank's systems remain completely stable. Zero interference confirmed.
The engine oil and coolant samples are taken for laboratory analysis to ensure there are no microscopic metal shavings indicating premature engine wear. The gunner aligns their reticle with the laser dot on a target 1 kilometer away. This ensures that where the gunner looks is exactly where the shell will hit. A small V-shaped rubber flap is installed on the front hull deck. This prevents water from splashing up onto the driver's periscopes during river crossings or rain. For cold weather operations, the Vickers VII features a fuel-fired heater that warms the crew and the engine block. A technician switches it on. Using a pressure tester, the inspector ensures 0 leaks around the cable and pipe passages, confirming the firewall seal.
We open the valve to bleed the air until the fluid runs clear. Then, close the valve securely to fully pressurize the system.
Tighten up that binder now. It's locked in tight. Confirm secure on this side.
The certificate of conformity is now official. The tank meets all specifications.
Thank you, Inspector. We appreciate the thorough review.
All right, keep coming slow. 6 inches right. Steady. And stop. Set your brakes.
She is fueled and ready. We'll see you when we get back.